In this video, I'm not entirely sure what happened here. All I could see was the dump truck pull out from a dirt road, and then a car comes out of nowhere, out of the cloud of dust. The car chases after the dump truck, and then proceeds to pass the dump truck. It looked to me, I'm going to stress that it looked, like the car ran the dump truck off the road. Now initially I thought the dump truck may have pulled out in front of the car, but upon further video analysis, I looked at it a lot closer. The car spins a 180-degree turn and chases after the dump truck. So I have no idea what happened here. But it was interesting. Mustang's better. Anyway, I told you to tell you this. I was thinking about it. That car decided to spin around for some reason. It's now passing that dump truck on a hill, and the dump truck had to pull over it. Mustang's better. Anyway, I told you to tell you this. I was thinking about it. That car decided to spin around for some reason. It's now passing that dump truck on a hill, and the dump truck had to pull over it. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.